Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of this awesome trade-in we got. It's a 2015 Chaparral H20, 19-foot boat. This boat is great. It has the awesome tower speakers up on the wakeboard tower. Awesome bimini. Dual captain's chairs. Nice, clean, snap-in carpet. It's got the great, nice bow here with the Kenwood speakers up front. Cleats all the way around, cup holders. It's got the cool tinted windshields. Nice seating in the back, big sun pad. Fantastic boat for some wakeboarding, skiing, fun times on the water. Really clean boat. Come and check out this beautiful 2015 Chaparral H20 and call us at MarineMax at 864-236-9005 or check us out at MarineMax Greenville.com. Thank you so much.